Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again WTC na. I need to go to the Lulu to buy grocery. What I need for my cooking today. See, the store is, and the other store is still closed. This is still early. Not yet, I think not yet 9 o'clock. I'm going to Lulu. Yeah. I wanna they have a nice balloon decoration. Diwali. Lulu. What is that? Diwali. I don't know what does that mean, but it's part of Arabic, I think. Anniversary. Lulu Wali Diwali. Okay. Nice balloon. Nice balloon.